A momentous discovery: ancient Etruscan sophisticated rock-cut tombs unearthed in Tarquinia. A recent archaeological discovery near Tarquinia, Italy has unveiled a remarkably well-preserved Etruscan tomb containing 3 burial chambers, each marked by an imposing doorway carved directly into the rocky cliffside. This extraordinary find provides new insights into Etruscan funerary practices and engineering capabilities, centuries before the rise of ancient Rome. The monumental tomb came to light during excavations of an existing 4th century BCE sepulcher known as the Queen's Tomb, itself a testament to Etruscan rock-cut architecture. As archaeologists cleared debris from the Queen Tomb's facade, they uncovered a second perfectly intact tomb with 3 chambers lying just behind the first. This previously unknown Etruscan tomb features 3 tall doorways carved in relief into the sandy cliff wall, mimicking imposing Doric temple fronts. The central doorway stands nearly 3 meters tall, flanked by fluted Doric columns supporting a triglyph and metope decorated pediment in classic Greek style. Yet uniquely Etruscan elements are found in the accompanying lateral chambers, likely used for tomb goods or sacrificial remains. The newly discovered tomb is dated to around the 5th–4th century BCE based on construction techniques and artistry. Its prominent clifftop location and imposing Doric facade would have marked the tomb as the resting place of an elite Etruscan family for centuries after their passing. Neighboring the 4th century Queen's Tomb, it provides evidence of Etruscan mastery of rock-cut engineering within a generation or two. Incredibly, excavations revealed yet another Etruscan tomb adjoining the first. Its 3 chambers, accessed by an Ionic temple-like facade carved from the living rock. This second tomb features a triangular pediment with acroterian ornaments and retains exquisite interior wall paintings of feasting and dancing, all perfectly preserved. The murals provide a window into Etruscan views of the afterlife and culture. Together, these adjoining structures represent the pinnacle of Etruscan rock-cut tomb building, showing sophisticated techniques carving elaborately decorated chambers from the sloping cliffside. The dual tombs borrowed Greek architectural motifs like Doric and Ionic columns popular at the time, yet retained distinctly Etruscan features from bench beds to exuberant wall painting. Their prominent clifftop placement announced the tomb's elite status to the surrounding community for centuries. Now that the structures are fully exposed and documented through 3D scanning, conservation efforts are underway to stabilize the tombs and safeguard their priceless artifacts. Special care is being taken to preserve the magnificently painted interior walls depicting Etruscan culture. Structural interventions will prevent deterioration of the tomb's chambers, while debris is cleared to maintain accessibility. Once conservation is complete, these new finds will provide researchers and visitors with an unprecedented look into Etruscan society at a pivotal time when Rome was ascending in power. Study of the tomb's architecture, artifacts, and mural decoration will reveal more about Etruscan language, technology, artistry, and connections to Greek and Roman culture. Their excellent state of preservation offers a tangible link to Etruscan life and beliefs as their civilization was evolving and becoming assimilated by Rome's growing influence. These newly exposed tombs are a triumph of Etruscan engineering and art, offering remarkable insights into an ancient society on the cusp of disappearance at the dawn Roman dominance. Further unlocking their mysteries through careful, ongoing study and conservation will expand our understanding of Etruscan cultural sophistication and contributions to European history. For now, archaeologists have the privilege of preserving a time capsule into Etruscan society at its cultural and technological peak before much was lost in the sweeping rise of Rome.